is good. So I come to you today to support this effort. As provost, I must prepare this university for artificial intelligence. We have to move past it's going to cheat and all of that stuff. Everyone get that stuff out of the way. You are here to learn. I have the pleasure of supporting Dr. Segment. You don't know the honor to be able to do that. He is the mover and shaker. He's the person that called up, not last semester, not last year. I'm talking about before people even knew AI, to say this is the pathway for the world. Now, how can we align TSU into that pathway? And he will tell you, people, administrators, many organizations said no. Did you all hear that? No. He is cutting edge. He will not take no. He called me up. He said, we need to strategize. I'm saying all of that because you all are here right now. He had to go and write a grant. Do you all hear me? And I have faculty and staff here. You all know what it is to stay up all night and pray that that grant is funded. I want you all to know, with or without a grant, we will move into artificial intelligence. We will. And it's faculty members and staff like Dr. Segment that is willing to take the risk in standing out in front to make the Tennessee State University one of the first nationwide to enter into this space. Now, the good news is he's on that side of AI. I'm on this side of AI called applied AI. In other words, everyone, whatever he and you all create, we get to take it and apply it for teaching and learning and pilot to come back and say, this is a tool that will transform education. You see the two alignment? You have someone who's creating and then someone who has to try it out. That's why we're here together. When he told me about this workshop, it was yes, 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 yes. But then he said, no food. No food. If you all are going to be here for 2 days, I'm sure you need food. And I see some of you are eating and drinking. And so I said to him, must have food. You see how beyond academics, it's all about relationship. He's my colleague. And today, tomorrow, you're going to learn great things. But I'm here to share with you all, whatever you learn, your end product, we apply it. And I hope you all have a chance to go downstairs in this building to see a whole wing devoted to artificial intelligence. Right now, as I'm speaking, we have 30 HBCUs online right now to learn about AI. So again, I don't want to take any more time, but you see the excitement? Because I know that we are one of the few universities in the nation to give you a training that others are begging for. So pay attention, look alive, and whatever you create, you're ready on this end to apply it. Thank you all very much.
Thank you.